Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance. I'm Sanampua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now I was going to talk about diabetes risk factor today, but just happened that one of my follower on YouTube asked me to do a live video to talk about scar tissue. You know, how does he said about scar tissue on the legs, maybe on the in meridian, right? You said about probably in here or in here, right? So you asked me how to treat scar tissue with acupuncture. It's simple. It's very simple and it's very effective as well, right? Well, scar tissue treatment. So when the scar tissue heal in your body, it doesn't matter where it is. Okay, I actually experienced that treating scar tissue that on the lower back. One of the patients had spine infusion in lower back. It was back in Singapore that he did the treatment. And when he came to see me, it was how many years ago? I think it's about 10 or 11 years ago. He came to see me with back pain, severe back pain. And to be honest, I didn't get any results for this case, not until I applied scar tissue treatment. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on with the story. I'm gonna show you how I actually treat it. And if you're on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, please give me a thumbs up and say hi to me. Leave some comment down there and let me know where you're from, something like that. Or your patient, your practitioner, acupuncturist, whoever you are, just let me know. And as well, if you're on Facebook, please share this live video on your personal page, so to let people know that we actually be able to treat scar tissue. If you're in pain a lot, numbness a lot, and that's something that we can help you with. Okay, break down the scar tissue. It's one of the treatment from acupuncture. And if you're on Facebook, share this live video, and on YouTube, please subscribe my live my channel, as well as ring the bell. So with giving birth, if that is not a natural birth, and a lot of women have what? Cesarean, so over here. So a big scar tissue over here. And what would that cause? Not much sensation in here. And what else would that cause? It will cause you get not just numbness and tingling, lost sensation in here, your urine. You may find that you have urgency, or you can't actually hold your urine. That could be because of the scar tissue. If you have any tummy pain that ongoing, and you have any scar tissue around here or even in your back, then it may cause from the scar tissue as well, because the blood circulation is not good. Because when the scar tissue heals, it actually blocking the blood going through supply to your tummy, and that is why you need that treatment to heal this, break down the scar tissue and get more blood flow go again. So simple. If you're an acupuncturist, let's say you have a scar, I'm going to show you how, if you're not an acupuncturist, how you can break down your scar tissue yourself, and it will help. But if you want to fully break down the scar tissue underneath and get the blood flow better, much better, and it's a bit difficult, and acupuncture is the best, right? So we're using if you want to do this technique, I mean acupuncturist, there's two types of needle you can use. Ordinary needles, like the needle that we use in general, but there's another type of needles called 认真 like a knife, but it's not a knife. It's sharp. It's just flat in the tip, and that is better idea for this needle. Is better for scar tissue. If you're using the ordinary acupuncture needle, it will still work too, but more needles. But most of you don't know how to use the other needle, so let's just keep on talking about the ordinary needles. Okay, let's say this is the scar tissue on the body. Okay, itchy throat. So scar tissue in here, let's say this is scar tissue from here to there. So it's easy. You put one needle in here and go under the scar tissue, and the other needle from here under the scar tissue to break it. Right. So the rest of the needle, you're gonna put one needle in here. Let's say this is scar tissue, so you one in here, right? So you put one in here and the other one over here, 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 here. So all the needles under the scar tissue. So multiple needles. Okay, multiple needles. This is how you break down the scar tissue underneath. Right. And after that, just leave it. You put a heat pack on, put a heat lamp on, and it's up to you. That's it. That's how you break down the scar tissue. You don't have to put it deep. You just have to go through under the scar tissue, from here to there, from there to there. But make sure you put one there, one there. Okay. Now, if you are not an acupuncturist and you're a patient and you develop, you have some scar tissue in your body, simple. You can use sesame oil, olive oil, or any kind of massage oil. Just put on top of that and massage it. Just go this and massage, 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 and massage until you feel warm and loosen up. If you get numbness or you get pain, until your pain around it and loosen up, you feel subside from the pain. And you can do it once a day, every day, and that can help the circulation go better through the scar tissue. But it is difficult to break down the scar tissue. If you want to really break down the scar tissue, acupuncture is the best. Acupuncture is the best because we put needle under it. So even though you do acupuncture, I would suggest you go home and do this as well. So suggest your patient after the acupuncture, once a day, get them to rub the scar tissue. Just gentle massage with some oil. That's it. This is how simple you can do. So with my case, and that case came in, I did balance method acupuncture. I did that needle in there. I did needle in here. All needle I did. It didn't work for patient. And the last thing I did, okay, I wonder whether the scar tissue caused the pain. So I did the scar tissue. As soon as I did the scar tissue, and he lay there, he said, gone. The pain's gone. Then after 20 minutes, I remove the needles. The patient can stand up, walk straight, walk out of my clinic. Just one treatment, gone. And I said, well, came back another day, the next day, and get another treatment of break down the scar tissue. Only 2 treatments, it's gone. He wasn't able to walk into my clinic, so he needs someone to lift him up to my massage table. So that was how serious the case is. Right? Stay awesome, and I love you all. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna carry on with diabetes risk factor. So if you're an acupuncturist, check down there. We have online courses. You can learn acupuncture, balance method acupuncture. And if you are patient in New Zealand, Hamilton, Waikato area, you're in Dinsdale, Hamilton. So if you want someone to help you with any health issue, break down scar tissue, call us. Our phone number is 078467956, 078467956. Stay awesome, and I love you all. Bye bye.